Hey, this is Tsunami and welcome to my video about making designs and uploading them to Merch by Amazon using the new Create Beta. Beta? Beta. Using the new Create button that lets you upload multiple products or upload one design to multiple products at the same time. This lets you speed up your merch business a lot faster and upload more products. Okay, so let's get right into it. This is using the new system. So we're gonna start with upload finished artwork from the merch dashboard. And if you haven't already signed up for merch, then sign up as soon as possible. There's normally a long waiting time, so it's best to sign up now and just kind of wait for your approval. Most people get approved as far as I know. All right, so create multiple products. So I'm going to press multiple products here and watch it load up. So the screen before was the regular upload screen. You could only upload one design at a time. This new screen allows you to create multiple products at one time. Let's just give a count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. You won't be able to do a hoodie because that's a slightly different dimension. So essentially this lets you do 7 products at one time. All right, so you click here to select the products. And I'm going to select premium here. I'm going to deselect DE because you would need to translate your product description and product title to into German if you want to sell on Amazon.de. That's why I'm unclicking that one. And I do want all the others, the pullover hoodie, the artwork has to be a different size. So I'm unclicking that one as well. We're going to go ahead with all the other platforms, all the other products. Okay, so I'm going to upload any one of these that you click. You'll be able to upload to all the designs that you selected. And there we go. My beautiful, awesome design that's loading onto all of these products. All right, now look at that. That looks lovely. All right, here, this is where, so I just scroll down. Let me scroll back up. So after you see the products, okay. Yep, this is very new. I just saw this morning, so I'm just kind of getting used to it as well. And I just said, let me make a video. But so you click on one product and it lets you choose the colors. So I like the darker colors for the white text that I have. So I'm just gonna go, red is always a good one. And green, you know, like awesome, lucky. So you don't normally want to choose more than 5 colors, right? Definitely going to click youth because this is a good shirt for young people as well. And make my price a little bit competitive. Going to do it at $16.99 for this design. That's perfect. Let me just check if there's like a save button. No, there isn't. So just going to go to the next one. Okay, sorry. Edit product details, right? So I'm going to kind of stick with the same. Oh, I don't remember the colors exactly. Maybe do a heather, take out the brown. All right, this part is really up to you. Was this the premium shirt? Okay, this is the premium shirt, so I'm just gonna give it a premium price. Actually, I'm going to leave the recommended price since it's premium, right? Okay, and so just kind of skip through. Oh, I keep clicking the design, but you should actually click edit details, right? The color choices are a bit different here. Which other color? That blue looks good, right? And I'm just gonna mix up the prices a little bit. Edit details for the next one. Alright, this one is more kind of yoga-y. So how many is that? That's 5 colors. Okay, men and women. That's awesome. I am not sure how to price this, so let's just go ahead with that. Then edit details. Getting the hang of it. Edit details. Alright. Sweatshirts only have 5 colors, so I normally do all of them just as long as they look good. And you can see that looks pretty good. I'm just gonna bring the price down a little bit. Skip to the next one. Okay, so this one wouldn't work. That one doesn't work. This one is okay. Nope, nope, nope. So we have only 2 that we're doing here. And I feel like I want to do that one at 20. And that's it. Is that it? No, there's one more. Here we go. 5 colors. This is like a sweatshirt. 29, 29, 99. All right. And now, so awesome is in the title already, so that's a brand name, but it's also a little bit of keyword. Maybe teens. Yeah. Women, men, and teen apparel. I hope that's how you spell apparel. All right, so, and it's just like awesome. I'm just gonna leave it that that's what it is. Because it has different products, I can't put like awesome sweatshirt or awesome tee because there are different products. There's tank top, you know, there's sweatshirts, so I'm not gonna really put anything else in the description. Keywords, I'm gonna go something generic like comfortable, cozy, casual. Key product features. Okay. This awesome design, great gift for teenage boys. I'm going to say teenage girls first. Men or women. So that's this awesome design makes a great gift for teenage girls, boys, men, or women. Get one today and bring a smile to someone's face. All right, so this is just a very short description. I put some keywords in there like a gift. Gift idea. That's a keyword. teenage girls, boys, men, women, and then an emotional kind of response that you want, an outcome, emotional outcome. You want them to bring a smile to someone's face, right? I think I want to put the word birthday in here. A great birthday gift idea, because someone might not be necessarily shopping for awesome t-shirt or awesome sweatshirt, but they'd be searching for a gift for someone. So in this case, a birthday gift for a teenager or a woman or boys. So I just threw some keywords in there, but if you're really serious about making money online, you want to do some actual keyword research and find the keywords that are relevant for the audience that you're trying to reach. But I've seen people make money even when they didn't kind of pay attention to keywords. But if you're serious and you do want to pay attention to them, for sure, they help your products get found, and that just equals to more sales. So moving back here to what we're doing, this is just showing you the design that the products that your design will be published on. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different designs at one time. This is just so awesome. Before we had to do one design at a time, and now you can do 7. So you just X7 your upload possibilities. So maybe I'll start to fill up these 500 product spaces that I have. But that was it. Those 7 designs, awesome premium t-shirt, awesome tank top, they're all up. The Amazon merch team have to review them and approve them for posting, but that normally happens pretty quickly. And that's how you do it. That's how you upload your design to multiple products using the new Create Beta, B-E-T-A, Beta, I don't know, button on the Amazon merch back dashboard background. Okay, that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, you know what to do. Press like, subscribe to me, and if you want to see me do more videos about Merch by Amazon or making money online, please leave a comment and let me know. Thank you. Much love and blessings.